Alright, here we go. May 14th, 2018, 8:18 p.m. We are looking at the planet/orb. Don't know what else to call it. One of my subscribers told me to get, I think it's called Starwalk 2 downloaded. I did. And it's not showing anything on my phone anyway. I might have to do an update on it, I think, because I just downloaded it. So I'm just starting to figure it out too. So, but it might be the Planet 9. It might be one of NASA's little toys. I don't know. But I've been capturing this now for, heck, some months now. But yeah, I've been capturing it for some months now. At least a few months. Maybe March, April, May, maybe. Yeah, I'm looking through the peephole. It's looking bluish. Now whitish. Now it's looking almost reddish. There's a dark red. It oscillates in color. Totally odd. Thought I would at least get, well, I did get one earlier on the ground. A shiny guy flying by it. It's like they take little breathers. They'll do like 3-4 at a time, and then they'll take like a 5-minute breather, like a space. I guess it's so they can land at the airport. Oops. I hit that. And again, this is no CGI. North side of my barn. Sun just went down. Let go. Swing right back to my little markings on my air conditioner. But yeah, if you go to the beginning of the video, because I had the camera still, and you fast forward it, you'll see that this thing moves down because it is in some type of orbit. I was watching my other video last night. Yeah, and I did the fast forward motion on it at the very end, and you could see it traveling downwards. Kind of like it's following the sun. So yeah. Alright everyone. Have a good one out there. Peace out. Oh, almost spoke too soon. There's a high flyer, shiny guy. Am I gonna get him? There he is. See? I knew it. There he is. So this thing is starting to orbit a little bit off to where the planes are going just to the left. Yesterday they were almost directly in line. So I guess it's got a synchronized orbit to where, I don't know, something about the planes. Here's another one. Yeah, there's got another one come over, but I don't believe I'm going to have enough time. It's 20-something seconds. I'm hoping that he makes it by then, but probably isn't going to do it. 15 seconds, I don't think so. Gonna miss him. Oh well.